everybody and welcome to another video. I just literally googled how much longer it is until my surf trip and I literally only have 1 month and 3 weeks. Like, it actually doesn't feel real. I literally thought it was maybe like 2 months and 3 weeks, but it's only 1 month and 3 weeks. So I need to up my game a little bit with my surfing strength and conditioning and with my surfing and everything. I need to step it up. I am not a very confident surfer and I'm not a very good surfer either. But it doesn't mean I don't deserve to go on these surfing trips. We've actually heard from people that go on these surfing trips that going to these places, especially when you have such a beautiful consistent wave, that you actually come back home a better surfer. So let's hope that happens for me. But with this, I want to make sure that I at least arrive to this trip the most confident, strongest, fittest, knowing that I did everything that I could to be able to surf better at this dream location. So there's a few things that I'm going to be doing. I literally just gonna ask ChatGPT to write me a surfing program. It's free. I don't pay for the paid ChatGPT. I've used the free one. So we're just going to ask it to write up a surfing like strength and conditioning program for me. Follow that program. So obviously time in the water is going to be the best, but you literally, for me at least, I'm not in the water all day, every day, or even twice a day, because I live like at least half an hour away from the beach. Obviously surfing is like the best way to get better at surfing, but it's also, there's a lot you can do on land that's still going to benefit your surfing. So even if you surf every day, you should still be in the gym working on your strength or running and working on your cardio. So either way, it all becomes magic together. So today we are going to go do a leg day. Let me also show you what else I will be doing. I have this calendar, right? I don't want to show off all my dates, but on my calendar I literally have this little sign, okay? And this calendar is right here by my room. I haven't made the bed yet. So I've literally said that every time I see that, I needed 10 pop-ups. So what I did was, okay, so here it is. So clearly I mustn't actually roll it up because now it's making it all funny. So here's my surfboard yoga mat that I have. And then I can just practice. So I know like my pad here, I think also like I need to draw the pad on. And then yeah, every time I see my sign or I happen to read that, I know I need to do my pop-ups. That is another way you can work on your pop-ups and your strength and all them things. So let's get ready for gym.
Free flowing.
Sube saoco, oh oh oh, sabe que me funde con tu piquete. Yeah yeah yeah, ese movimiento me tiene loco. Oh oh oh, me gustaría tenerte de frente. Playa, arena, sol, calor, sentí tu sudor. Yo lo que quiero, playa, arena, sol, alcohol, contigo mejor. Sube el saoco, tú me tienes loco. Contigo me foco, cuando yo te toco, todo quiero darte. Girl, I got you right here with my heart at. Yeah. Yo solo quiero amarte. Girl, I wanna love you, I don't want a heartache.
It is the next day and today is an upper body day. We are back to our ChatGPT workout program So it says assisted pull-ups or lat pull downs, dumbbell shoulder press, bent over rows, push-ups, plank shoulders. But as you can see behind me, it is a beautiful sunny day and I want to take this workout outside. Also need my body to be getting used to the sun as much as I can for our surfing trip. So I am going to be doing the workout outside here. So everything I can do, I just have to find a different workout for the pull-ups. So we'll maybe even ask ChatGPT what's the alternative they can give us. Go warm and be beautiful. Oh, and then I'm also going to do a few pop-ups. I went surfing this morning and I got some footage of me surfing. And yeah, like, let's just keep in mind, I'm really bad at surfing lefts. If someone told me you need to surf left to save someone's life, that person will be meeting Jesus sooner than they thought, because I cannot surf left very well, or should I say at all. So, but anyway, the point I'm trying to make is that with seeing that footage, I realized like I need to really focus on popping up a lot quicker. So got to practice that every single day. And then yeah, it's really nice actually having, like, as much as that is not very good surfing, it's really nice having footage and seeing what you are doing wrong. So I kind of know what I'm doing wrong there and what I've got to keep trying to do. Yeah, I was a little bit like bummed seeing that footage because I'm just like, oh my gosh, I suck, I don't deserve to go on this surf trip. But you know what, I'm like, no, we live in a world where everyone just tries to be so perfect and always shows the perfection side of life. And you know what, there are people out there that are learning things, that live normal, that aren't just perfect 24/7 every single day, and that take a bit longer to learn things. So you know what, I love the sport. I've got every right to be doing the sport. I've got every right to be talking about the sport, about surfing, and making content about surfing and going on surfing trips, because I'm not a quitter. And one day I can look back on these videos of my shitty surfing, look at how much I have improved. There are big things that I have improved on that might not show in my actual surfing skills, but there are big steps that I've improved on big time. But enough chatting, let's get into the workout.
Is calling my name. I'm dancing on the edge again. This time I'm not looking back, babe. You can change me, you can tell me down. I'll be back, goes in every place I find. I break the molds with rebels mind. I'm a hurricane, a free born mind. I remember when you told me I should settle down, but these restless feet won't keep me grounded. The open road's the only place I find.
And we are done for today's upper body session. We are here at the gym and we are going to be doing, well, I am, should I say, going to be doing a yoga class. I'm here at my little, like, well, not little, but local gym, and they offer yoga classes here. So yeah, I take advantage and I do them. There is an instructor that I really do like, and she has a class every Tuesday and Thursday morning. So I try to do yoga at least twice a week.